Hi, my name is Sandy, and ever since I can remember, I have loved sewing. The day I bought my first sewing machine was one of the best days of my life. It was also kind of scary too, because I had no idea what I was doing. Much has changed since then. I have owned the Sandy Own shop on Etsy for more than 10 years now, and I have to admit it's been kind of slow lately because I just can't seem to find the time. So why have you started this YouTube channel if you don't have the time, you ask? Well, there's actually several reasons. First, because I want to share my designs with everyone who appreciates them, and if I don't have the time to make them for you at the shop, I may as well give you the opportunity to do them yourselves. Also, I just want to make sewing accessible to anyone who wants to do it. I remember when I first started sewing, I would watch these inspiring videos by these amazing professional women and get totally overwhelmed. And for a while, that actually kept me from starting because in my head, I needed that craft room filled with light and that expensive sewing machine, and to do things perfectly and to pick really complicated, time-consuming projects to be able to sew. But that isn't true at all. You can sew anywhere, as long as you have a small table and either a sewing machine or hands, a needle, and some thread. For most of my sewing career, I did it in my kitchen and stored my supplies in these huge plastic containers. Still kind of do, if I'm honest. But I still did it day in and day out. And if you're super busy but love to sew, you can get your sewing fix with small, simple projects that will be so much fun to make in no time at all. And that's what this channel is all about. Simple sewing, simple explanations, quick and fun projects done by someone who didn't get any formal training but can still do awesome, beautiful, fulfilling projects anyway. And if I can do it, so can you. So welcome to my channel. I hope you have fun. I know I will, because sewing is the best thing in the world as far as I'm concerned. It's creative but useful, and for me, the fact that you can create something unique from scraps of fabric is just magic, plain and simple. If you agree, let's do a bit of magic together, shall we? Welcome.